It's Monday, July 19th, 2010, and I decided to do this little earthquake documentation thing on my channel. I'm going to go 6.0 or better, and let me just kind of give some of you people a reason why I'm only going from 6.0 or better. This is just in the last 12-hour period. Now look at all those 4s and 5s and 3s. Unless you want me to post 20 plus videos a day, and that's just in the last 12 hours, I'm going to keep it to 6.0 or better. Now this is just a normal day. I've been following this very closely since Haiti, and this is a normal day. So, I'll post 6.0 or better when I see them. Thanks, guys.